Hi guys, as promised, today is the drawing. As you know, or some of you know, or if you haven't watched, I guess you're just SOL, you know what they say. But I posted a video yesterday, talking about this giveaway. This is a giveaway for my Signature Blend seasoning. Let me get it. This stuff is absolutely magical. I mean, it's magical, I'm telling you. But I posted a video yesterday stating that I'm going to do a giveaway for the Signature Blend seasoning. This stuff is absolutely amazing, and I'm going to do it with my drawing now. I've got all my names in here. All you had to do was go to my Facebook fan page and post that, share that onto your Facebook page. You know, just trying to get some more viewers here. Gotta do what you gotta do. But right in here is the names of all the people who've done that, and if you didn't do that, if you watched the video after this drawing, then you know we'll be having some more soon. But we're gonna go ahead and do the drawing right now because I'm gonna get this uploaded today, which is Sunday, so you guys can send me your address, whoever the winner is. So good luck to you all. My dogs are crying because the hubby's out there mowing the grass, so let's shake them up. Shake, shake, shake. Good luck, good luck, good luck. All right. Gotta stir them around. I probably better do this on camera because you guys might think I'm cheating or something. Gotta play fair, you know. Gotta play fair. All right. Let's see who the lucky winner is. All right. The lucky winner of my Signature Blend seasoning is... Can you see it? They're on little pieces of paper. Rebecca Ferris. Yay! Congratulations, you are a lucky winner. I will send this to you just as soon as you send me your address. You can private message me your address on my Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy. And make sure you guys are going to the actual page. It's not something that you have to join. I did have a cooking group, but I'm kind of deleting that because I really don't have time to do all that stuff. So if it's something that you have to ask to join, then you're in the wrong place because it's taken me a while to get that deleted. But it's the Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy. Just type it in on Facebook and you will see it. Just private message me your address, Rebecca, and I will get this sent off to you Monday. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Wait a minute. Let's just do one more. Why not, you know? Let's do one more. This is Subscriber Appreciation Day. It's your lucky day, so we're gonna do one more. Just for the heck of it. I'm feeling like just giving stuff away today. All right. Come on, come on. I'm just mixing them up. Marion I'm gonna butcher this name big time. Hohenschelt, Hohansheld. You are my second winner. I've done 2 today. Always surprise here on In the Kitchen with Sandy. You never know what I'm going to do. But if you are Marion Hohenschelt, and I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, or Rebecca Ferris, make sure you go to my Facebook fan page and send me a private message of your address, and I will get your Signature Blend seasoning shipped off to you Monday, and you should get it within a couple days. So thank you all so much for watching my videos. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe them, and make sure that you put that little notification bell on so you're notified of, you know, anytime that I upload a video, because you never know when I might do another drawing. Who knows? It could be an Amazon drawing. It could be anything. You never know with me. So you know I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.